Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to replace the third high mount brake light on a 2012 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. This is actually very easy to do. The high mounted brake light is held by two Phillips screws, so one is right here and the other one is right here, so remove those. Okay, so these are the screws, like I said, only two of them, and once you have them out you can just gently remove that light. So don't pull it too hard because the washer nozzle is still attached and there is a wire on this side as well, so don't pull it out all the way, just enough so you can detach the wire from the back. Okay, so on the left side there is one connection. There is like a small clip right here to push to pull this connector out. Okay, as you can see, here's the clip which you have to push to remove it. Okay, next thing, you don't have to detach the nozzle washer because the light bulbs are actually within this black plastic piece. So only thing what you have to do, you'll see two metal clips on each side of this piece. You see, like this one here and this one right here, and there are two on the other side as well, here and one here. So what you want to do, you want to push these clips to release this black plastic and to pull it out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand. I might have to use both of my hands to do this because you have to be careful while doing this. Those light bulbs like to break. But okay, looks like I'll be able to pull it off. Okay, and as you can see, there is 5 light bulbs altogether that have to be replaced. I mean, depending how much of them are burnt, but on my Escape all of them are pretty much done. Okay, I went inside the car now because it's very sunny outside, so I really couldn't see what I'm recording. So yeah, these are the 5 bulbs that have to be replaced, and to replace it you just pull it straight out. Those bulbs are very cheap, maybe like 50 cents up to $1 each. So yeah, get as many bulbs as you need to replace all the burned ones, and once you do that, just push this back in, plug it in, screw back those 2 Phillips screws, and that's it. That's how you replace the third high mount center brake light on a Ford Escape. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.